In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get WooCommerce order details. WooCommerce is a popular e-commerce platform used by many to manage their online stores, and understanding how to access detailed order information is essential for smooth operations. So, let's dive into the process of retrieving those important details about your customer orders. First, you'll want to navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, you'll look for the WooCommerce section on the left-hand menu. It's usually easy to spot because, by default, it's positioned among your main menu options. Go ahead and click on WooCommerce. This will reveal a drop-down menu where you will see Orders. Selecting this option will take you to the Order Management page. Here, you'll find a comprehensive list of all the orders placed through your store. Now, let's say you want to take a closer look at a specific order. Simply click on any order from this list. You'll be directed to a detailed view of that particular order. This page is full of valuable information that can help you understand the order better and address any customer concerns efficiently. At the top of the page, you'll see the order number along with the date it was placed. Just beneath that initial information, important details about the customer and their purchase unfold. The first section you'll notice is Order Items. Here, you can see precisely what the customer ordered, including product quantities and any variations of the items. This part is especially helpful if there are any questions about what the customer purchased or if discrepancies arise in the order fulfillment process. As you scroll further, you will encounter the Billing and Shipping Details section. This section displays the addresses associated with the order. The billing address reveals where the payment invoice is sent, while the shipping address is crucial for ensuring the products are delivered to the correct location. Double-check these whenever you're processing or reviewing an order to prevent any delivery mishaps. Below the addresses, you'll find the order notes. These notes are an invaluable resource for recording any communication between you and the customer, adjustments made to the order, or internal comments for your team. This log of interactions and updates can be instrumental in resolving any issues that might arise or for just keeping everyone in the loop. Next, check the Payment Method section. Here you'll find details about how the customer chose to pay, whether it's through a credit card, PayPal, or another method supported by your store. Having access to this information ensures that your financial tracking aligns with the customer's choice. Finally, review the Totals and Statuses areas. You'll see a breakdown of the order's total value, including any applicable taxes and shipping fees. The status updates give you insight into the current phases of order processing, like if it's pending, completed, or refunded. That's a quick guide on accessing WooCommerce order details. Keeping an eye on all these elements allows you to manage your store effectively and provide a seamless experience for your customers. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you navigate your WooCommerce orders with confidence.